Hello kids, today we are going to learn all the shapes, okay? Okay, first we start from the center. Which color is this kids? It's yellow. It's yellow circle. Oh wow. Okay. Which color is this kids? It's purple. It's purple. Purple Pentagon. It have 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which color is this kids? Red. And this is hexagon. It have 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon. Oh. Which color is this kids? It's blue. Blue octagon. It have 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Blue octagon. Which color is this kids? Oh, pink. Oh wow. Pink star. Pink star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Oh, which color is this kids? It's also pink. Wow, wow. And it's parallelogram. Which color is this kids? It's purple. Purple oval. Purple oval. Just like an egg. Wow. Amazing. Which color is this kids? It's red. We have red triangle. It have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Now we start from here. Which color is this kids? It's orange. Orange quadrifoil. Orange quadrifoil. It is green trapezoid. Green trapezoid. Which color is this kids? Orange. Orange pie. Which color is this kids? It's blue. Blue cross. Which color is this kids? It's yellow. Yellow rectangle. And it's have also 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Blue rectangle. Which color is this kids? It's also green. Green heart. Green heart. Which color is this kids? It is green color. Light green color. Which shape is this kids? Oh wow. It's semicircle. It's semicircle or half circle. Thank you. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Haha. Bye bye.